something we've actually never done here on the channel.
We got the car running. 1982 Mercury Capri. Matt's
loves
back
being
here
on
too.
camera, by the way.
Yeah, you know what?
What's up, everyone? And as you can tell, Matt is not here, or he's over here, but he's sick. There he is, he's sick. But welcome to Gearhead 704, and I'm taking over the channel for a little bit. So, there he is, right there. So, Matt in his yearly video decided that I was gonna make number 7 on his favorite videos of 2019.
Number 7 is actually, I met my friend Ben, who's had the Capri on the channel a few times before. This thing is just, he calls it ODB for Old Dirty Bastard. But it really is going to be a nice car, and he's done a lot more to it since then. Yeah, but just ask Ben about the car. He's still getting it together. It's going to come along though, and it will be back on the channel again.
So, I think that was an unfortunate, or that was a mishap, but we got the car running. So here it is. So it's a 1982 Mercury Capri. It's a 5.0 car, 4-speed originally. It's got a T5 in it, Tech EFI, sand beige interior with a little bit of black. We got some black back seats back there. 3-piece wing, Capri tail lights, 18-inch 4-lug wheels. I'm missing my trim piece. They're over there laughing at me. But that's what it is. We'll pull the hood up real quick. 93 50 306 heads cam intake, built by Kannapolis Engine Services. Tagging them in that. They are awesome people. So just a simple car. Looks like crap on the outside. Underneath is basically all new. So I think Matt said most of this video is going to be us just having fun and doing stupid stuff. So for now, I'm going to hop off here and we're going to go take a ride.
So you see we got some other cars out here at the impromptu car show, but Ben's over here all lonely. I'm going to do a burnout. No, I'm not. I probably won't even crank it. I probably won't even get it cranked. Let's see. Oh! All right, let's see if I can get Ben's car to crank here. Gotta hold it down to the floor. All right. Hey, I got it. So this is a T5. I don't know if I remember how to get those in reverse or not. There we go. Ben, I like your door here.
I love it. We're going to take some Sharpies later and color it in.
Yeah, can I sign it? Gearhead 704. There you go.
What's cool is this one actually still has the stickers.
Oh, that's cool.
I've still got the original window sticker, the owner's manual, yeah, I've got it all. It's actually camming.
All right, let's hear the cam. Chop, chop, chop. All right, so something we've actually never done here on the channel. And by the way, please don't unsubscribe for Ben doing the intro. He was trying to help me out. I'm just kidding. I've never actually ridden in this car during the daytime, so that's what we're bringing you guys along for today. If you're not really sure what's been done to the car, I think, did you fill them in what you did to it?
I told them a little bit.
A little bit? All right, there's also a couple other videos. I'll put them down below. But we're gonna ride in this thing. So let's do it.
We're gonna try not to kill them.
Yeah, try. If the upload doesn't make it, you guys will know why. Try this at home, folks. Ben is so happy because he got the car going again. Did you tell everybody what it was actually broke last time? Okay. well, the last time they knew about this car, you needed a clutch, and you got a clutch, and then something else broke. We didn't know what happened after that.
So motor actually ended up being good. We ended up breaking the flywheel. The timing was off. You know, in the last video, one of the guys put in the comments that the timing, the actual distributor itself was moving.
Yeah, the distributor's moving around.
Yeah, and so it was actually all the way tightened down. We're not exactly sure why it did that. But good news is we got it fixed. It's back on the road. We figured out the FiTech with the timing. I've been fighting this system for about 2 years now. But as you're about to see, I think we've about figured it out.
Mexico. Yeah, she's running much better. I rode in it at night, and it doesn't even compare. Were you still trying to break the clutch in back then too?
Yeah, I was.
Yeah.
And so what we ended up finding out is the FiTech unit, you have to, when you lock it out, you actually have to go into the system and manually set the upper limit on your timing. So the last time Matt and I took this thing for a ride, I was only getting about 13 to 14 degrees of timing at wide open throttle. So we were getting some backfires, you know, it just wasn't running right. That kind of ended up actually being what broke the flywheel. So like I said, we're running about 32 degrees at wide open throttle. I'm assuming we're somewhere around the low 300s, upper 200 range. We've got some 355 gears in the back. We've got a decently sticky tire. I'm spinning the crap out of them. I'm pedaling the car, but I mean, this thing's a blast to drive. I'm glad I got it running again. All we know is this is Ford powered, so we're not making anyone mad. It's a Mercury Capri, but the funny thing is, the thing that, you know, kind of makes me mad, you know, in the video you'll see with Doug, you know, we give him crap about his car is primer clear coat.
Yeah.
Well, the thing that kind of makes me mad is, you know, I'll pull up to a gas station, people will be looking at the car, and they'll be like, what year Mustang is this? And I'm like,
It's not a Mustang!
not a Mustang. You know, it is a Mustang subframe, but this is one of those cars that, you know, you go to a car show, you might go to 4 or 5 car shows, and you may not see it, you know.
Yeah.
That is the thing that I like being around here. I know of one other that is on the road, actually 2 others. One's a drag car and the other one's basically all original.
Well, you helped me figure out why I didn't like any of the Capris before, because they didn't do the bubble hatches until '83.
Right.
Yeah.
So,
and I never liked the bubble hatch look. I just,
right.
you knew, you knew. It's not for me.
Buddy Tristan Sharp out there, he's got a Crimson Cat now. He used to have a lime green one. He gives me so much crap. He's like, yours is not a Capri because it's not a bubble hatch. Kenneth Standel out there in Idaho, he does the same crap. He's like, man, you don't have a Capri, it's not a bubble. And I'm like, well, technically mine was made first. So,
Yeah.
you know. The cool thing about the bubble hatches is actually when they were designing them, they designed them for road racing.
Really?
I'm pretty sure that they actually ended up getting 3 or 4 miles per hour on the top and on the back stretches by switching over the aerodynamics of the bubble hatch. And so that's, you know, it was more of a, you know, the race design.
I figured it wasn't for looks.
No, it's not. So yeah,
Nah, she's running strong, Ben.
I love this car. All right.
So tell people very loudly, because you got a loud car, or downshift RPM. Tell people what your long-term plans are now that the car's finally running.
So I've had the car for about 3 years. When we got it, it was super rough. You know, we had some issues with it. I've been fighting it for a long time. I swapped some stuff out, but I'm in college right now. The goal is just kind of keep the patina right now. You know, keep the interior. I need a new dash pad. You know, I need to replace a couple little things here and there. The long-term goals in the car is we're looking at doing. Probably going to end up staying with the 306, do the Holley Terminator system, do a turbo, and then do a TKO system. I mean TKO transmission.
Yeah.
Probably end up keeping the same motor I have just because it is a solid motor. I mentioned earlier Canapolis Engine Services. They did a phenomenal job building my motor.
Yeah, they rebuilt the lower intake on my GT40 intake. I need it fixed. They fixed that. So I like Canapolis a lot.
Yeah. But Adam Poteet over there, Sam Poteet that runs out in Pastor Pony Park. Both those guys, I've gotten to know them over the years. I've been in FoxBodies now for I think 8 years. But you know, just phenomenal people. They do a phenomenal job. I couldn't be happier. But you know, sticking with that setup, wanting to do an on-3 system, switch over to the 87 to 93, you know, the true EFI intakes, and then do a Holly system. The car is actually already set up with a 255 in the back. Excuse me, it's got a 255 fuel pump in the tank, the 87 to 93 tank.
That's the same one I got in my convertible.
Correct, yeah. So, you know, it's one of those that the car's set up right. You know, it's already got dash 8 AN lines running front to back. The return line is not, so that's something I'll have to change. But, you know, we set the car up when we built it to handle, you know, 600-700 horsepower at the time. But now looking at it, you know, I want to keep a street car. I want to keep it fun. You know, just something that we can get in, we can beat on it. You know, we can go do a couple burnouts, spin some tires. And then, you know, like today, this was impromptu. You know, I made a couple phone calls. We all went to eat at Catfish Cove here in Belmont. Yep. We rode out to the lake, and then we were just, you know, it's just a fun time, you know.
Yeah, I love hanging out with other FoxBody enthusiasts, really.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we even got the Turbinator out on like no sleep for 36 hours.
The car is sentimental to me, but it's one of those that, you know, I'm more happy with the friends and everyone that I've made around these cars.
Yeah, it's funny you say that, because that's pretty much what I tell people about YouTube. That's the reason I started YouTube, was actually all the people I met through it in the community.
Right.
You and I would have never met without YouTube, probably.
Yeah. So the funny thing is Matt and I had actually never met each other. And the first day that he did the Capri video, the one that made the top, you know, 10 for 2019, that was actually the first time we'd met. Yeah. And it was just one of those that Matt Serb and I were sitting there. Man, Matthew, you know, he's not a big camera guy. He doesn't like being in front of the camera. But Matt was like, you know, can we put the car on the channel? And I'm like, heck yeah, we can. It's like, sure.
That's always what I want to hear on a YouTuber. I'm a content. I don't think I can say that word, but
it's one of those, man. I still don't understand that. You know, I don't get why everyone just loves this car.
Well, I finally drove it today, so I get why now.
Yeah, and they got to drive it for all of 15 feet. It's simple. You know, Matthew Serban told me, he said, you know, it's a one of a kind just in the fact that it's almost a rat rod box.
Yeah, it really is.
You know, it's patinaed, it's got, you know, everything going for it. And then, you know, under the hood, underneath the car, everything's brand new. It's got new suspension, it's got new motor, new transmission, new rear end. But, you know, one of the aspects on building it was, you know, I want to keep it looking stock underneath the hood. You know, and that's why we went with the Fitek. And but the funniest thing, the thing I love to do the most, is to pull up the car shows and it's just hitting a lick, and people are looking at me like, what is this? You know, who's pulling up here? Yeah. And it amazes people when I open the hood. I love to watch people's jaws drop.
Yeah, how clean it is.
It's just, you know, it's just a clean car underneath. But, you know, motor's running good, car's running good. I can't complain.
You don't have long tubes, do you?
No, so the exhaust setup on it, a lot of people ask me about this just because it has such a unique sound. All it is it's BBK shorty headers. It's to an H pipe. And
most people run X's now.
Correct, yeah, and it is one of those that I've never been a big fan of that raspy sound. So that's the reason I went with the H. It's just a throatier sound. And then it's just Flowmaster 40s and 2.5-inch tailpipes out the back.
You know, we have almost the exact same exhaust setup, but it sounds different coming out of a 306 and a 331. Yeah. It really does. No, I'll just let you finish it up.
All right. So I'm here with my buddy Matthew Serban. You know, we're not looking into the sun. Matt's
loves
back
being
here
on
too.
camera, by the way.
Yeah, no, I absolutely love it.
Thank you guys for watching. You know, Matt's not feeling good, so we figured we'd go ahead and take over the channel for him a little bit. We hope y'all enjoyed this. If you haven't, please subscribe. Thank you for watching Gearhead 704, and we'll hit the like button, and we'll see you next time.
There you go.
Okay.